Okay, now we are going to do assignment 31. Until now, you've learned that how to create a pipe network by going to pipe network creation tools and how to create structure and pipe rules and how to create a part list. Now we are going to talk about how you can create a profile view of your pipe network. For creating a profile view, at first you need to create an alignment. So you can select, for example, your structure, and then you can see pipe network, storm network here, and you can go to Launchpad and see alignment from network. When you click on that, you are asked to select next network part. This is my first part, and then I can go to the next one. For example, I can select the last one. It means that I'm creating one alignment from this point to this structure, and then I'm going to create a profile view. Enter. This is for creating alignment. This is for site. I can change its name, and I can change alignment label set to major and minor only. And then I'm going to create profile, select the alignment, select the surface, add both. And by going to draw in profile view, create profile view, and click here, you can see pipe network under the ground. This is the ground line, and these are our structures, and these are our pipes. I can do this again. I can select this structure in another network. This is for storm network, and it's for wastewater network. I'm going to Launchpad alignment from network, and I can go, for example, to this one. Start from this structure to this one. I can change to alignment 2, and now I'm selecting the new alignment and the surface and add both. And by going to draw in profile view, if you remember, we worked with a station range, profile, we worked with cut area and fill area, and you can find pipe network here. We can add pipes or remove them here. For example, if I remove pipes and go to create profile view, you can see just structures. I remove pipes here. And I can select the profile view. And if we go to profile view properties, again, if you remember, we worked with hatch, we worked with stations, and now you can find pipe networks here. And you can add pipes here. And add all of them in this profile. You can see all pipes here. And I can change the alignment direction. So change the network direction. You can see we have pipe network here, and we have an alignment. The red line shows the alignment. If I click on that, change to alignment, and the blue line is for the pipe network. I need to select the alignment, and by going to modify, I can reverse the direction. And when you hit the arrow, you can see it changed. Again, for this one, it starts from right and goes up to the left. You can select the alignment, go to modify, and reverse the direction. Now it starts from left and goes up to right. Also, you can add labels. You can select one of them and go to label and add single part in profile and see that. Or you can add them and go to single part in plan. I need to select in plan. And you can add some tables. When you select your structure, you can see add tables here. We have add a structure and add pipe. I can go to add a structure and select by network, storm network or wastewater network. You can change the maximum rows and maximum tables per stack. And we can change the behavior, static and dynamic, and click OK. Now you can see all the structures in the network here. Also, you can go to, for example, add pipes. And instead of selecting by network, we can select multiple selection and go to the plan and select some of them. 2 pipes selected and change it to static. And now you can see just 2 pipes. And as a project manager or as an estimator, it's very helpful for you when you want to submit an order for purchasing material. You can calculate your material here. By creating tables, you can show them. And in this assignment, you need to open Civil 3D metric. Your file is metric. We are going to create a profile view, and we are asked to select CB1 structure. This is CB1, and this one is CB1 and STM-STR7. At first, we need to select CB1, and then by going to Launchpad, you can see alignment from network. So at first, you need to select your structure, then go to alignment from network. And read the comment here. We are asked to select next network part. We are asked to go to the last structure. Select this one and enter. Now we need to leave the default site to none and name your alignment to StormCL. Leave the default alignment type and the set alignment style to layout. Change it to layout and change this one to major and minor only. And please check create profile and profile view. Now you can see the new alignment name, and then surface is composite, add both, and go to drawing profile view. We need to change the profile view style to land stop profile view. Then you can go to pipe pressure network and see your all pipes and structure here. And create profile and hit the drawing. And you can see your profile. And we need to change the direction. For changing the direction, we need to change the alignment direction. So we need to select the alignment. We need to zoom in. If you select the blue line, you are selecting the pipe network. Here is pipe network. So you need to select the red line, which shows alignment here. Then you need to go to modify and reverse direction. Now you can see the new direction. It was from right to left, now it is from left to right. And we are asked to, in step 12, to complete the pipe network, allowing all alignments. And we need to merge them to the previous network. I'll show you how. And create profile views, and add all labels, and add table. So for creating pipe network, you need to go to pipe network. And let me see this waste fodder. I'm going to create some waste fodder. Yeah. Go to pipe network, change it to waste fodder, and network A. The surface should be composite, And the alignment, you can select it by going to drawing. And change them to basic. No, that's fine. Click OK. So the part list is base border, surface, and alignment. And we need to change the structure. I want to select 1,500 or yes, this one. Or go to concentric and 1,500. Then select the 200 millimeters PVC pipe and start. Right. Go on 0. Every other session. And connect it. And when you want to merge networks, for example, here we have pipe network. Here is network A, and here is wastewater network. If I want to merge them, I can select one part. And by going to when you go to merge networks here, you can select your first network, which is network A. Click OK, and then select your destination. You can go to drawing and select that. Wastewater network. Okay. And now you can see we have wastewater network, and this changed to wastewater network. When you go there, we have two networks. And again, complete this road. Go to pipe network. You can network B, wastewater, surface, it's composite, and alignment. Okay. Change it to 300. And the PVC to 150 and start right. And then again for merging networks, select one part, then go to merge network, select network 1, and then add destination. Now again, we have two networks.
Where did you start and stop? Where did you start? Oh.
From here. And for creating profile, we need to select the first structure. Then we need to go to alignment And we need to go to the last one. And click OK. Add alignment and surface and draw in profile view. You can see them here and create.
Charlie, you did that again?
Yes. You need to select your first structure. Then you need to create an alignment. So go to Launchpad, Alignment from Network. Now you need to select the next network part. I'm going to select the last structure. Then enter. And this is the layout for creating an alignment. You can change it to make alignment. Okay. And now I'm adding the new alignment and the surface and drawing profile view and create profile. Now we have 3 profile views. You can see different structures with different size. This is for stormwater and it's for wastewater and stormwater. Now we need to add labels and add tables. And before that, I want to show you how you can add a part on your profile view. For example, you've created this profile view from the Blue network, and I want to show you this part on the Pink network on the Blue network. So I need to select the part, for example, this structure. Then by going to Network Tools and Draw Parts in Profile, you can show this part in this profile. So you need to select the structure and go to Draw Parts in Profile. Then you are asked to select Profile View. Select this profile view, and now you can see the pink part on the Blue network. Can do this again. I can select pipe, go to Draw Parts in Profile, and then select the profile view and add this pink pipe on the Blue network. Or I can add this blue structure, go to Draw Part in Profile and add it on the Pink network. should have 4 profile views, not 3. One for this one for this, and 3. I'm adding this. To this one and add this one. You can see that here. And then for adding labels, can select this one part, and go to add labels, an entire network profile. Same process, add one part, go to add labels, and entire network profile. Add labels, entire network profile. This is for 150 PVC pipe, and it's 200 PVC pipe. And for adding tables, and select one part, go to add tables. We can add a structure. By network, we have 2 networks. So we should have 2 tables for structures and 2 tables for pipes. Select structure and go to store network and click OK. Again, go to structure and select wastewater network. And go to pipes, store network, and add pipes and wastewater network. So here we have to complete the pipe networks along all alignments, merge them to the previous network, and create profile views, add all labels in profile views, and add tables for pipes and structures. And that's it. And you need to upload your file and take a screenshot. Shows your profiles and your tables and labels. Have a question?
Yeah. Maybe a second. I don't know what I did wrong. Right. That's the. Remember I did
Could
the.
you select your surface?
I thought. Did you do that again?
Go to network. Is it network B?
Yes.
Image.
Mm-hmm.
Take photo. Select composite surface and select that one.
I'm going to do the,
I think you forgot to select the surface.
right, and to make this again,
Mhm.
what was that again?
Let me just, first we need to mirror that. Have to produce that network, select one part, go to merge network. It is network B, okay, and select the section, place order. Place order was.
Was it not that one?
Place order, that's fine. Now select the first structure. Then go to online promise board and launchpad. Select the reflect, select mix complete part. You need to select the last part.
Oh,
Now you are creating an element like this. Now enter. Output. Output quality.
but the tables is already. The structure by tips.
Two networks. Or three.
No, I read it.
You have two networks, and if you try to take out space on this network, you can one select the structure, store network, then again the structure base network, and go to file. So finally, you have four type of.
Those would have been for each one.
I think they are the same. Yes. Yeah. Mhm. Have exam 2. I'll share with you the review session. You need to watch review 1 and review 2 and do practice our assignments for the exam 2, which is on Friday, 4th April. At first, we need to, for creating a profile view, you need to select your first structure and you need to create your alignments. So when you select your structure, you need to go to alignment from network, and then you are asked to select next network part. I can go there, enter. Now we can change it to alignment B. I can change it to layout. Depends on you, it's not very important. Now you need to select the alignment and the surface. This is the new alignment, and we have composite surface, add both, and drawing profile view. And create profile view and hit the drawing. And if you want to change the direction, you need to change the profile direction. Change the alignment direction. So you need to select the alignment. This is the alignment. You can go to modify and reverse the direction. And after that, we are asked to complete these roads. I can go to pipe network and I need to, it is wastewater. I need to create a new pipe network, network A, and it should be wastewater. Surface composite and the alignment. Can go to the drawing and select the alignment. Okay, now we need to change it to whatever. For example, 1500, and it can be 200 millimeters. And start from start point and go every other station. Then for merging these two networks, you can select that. And by going to merge network, this is network A, click OK, and then select the destination. You can go to the drawing and select this network, which is wastewater network. Merges here. At first, we need to select one part, either pipes or structures. just one pipe. Then go to modify and find merge network. Then you go to merge networks. Select pipe network to be merged into another network. It is network A, or you can go and click again. Then click OK and select destination pipe network. I can go to the drawing and select the network. And it is wastewater network. Click OK. Now we have again just two networks. We removed network A. And it was merged to wastewater network. And the same process for this road. Can create network B. It is wastewater, the surface is composite, and the alignment, select the alignment from the drawing. Click OK. Change it to 2300, and it can be 150, and start from this station and go further. And again, for merging the network, you need to select one part, then go to merge network. This is network B, and select the destination. I can go wastewater network. And now again, we remove network B, and we have just two networks. And for creating a profile view, you need to select the first part, go to Launchpad, Alignment from Network, and we are asked to select next network part. We are going to the last part. Can change them or cannot. Go and drawing profile. And the same process, select the first structure, go to Alignment from Network, select the last one. And add both and drawing profile view. And if you want to remove some pipes, you can go there and remove them and create a profile. I remove those. And if you want to add them again, you can go to profile view properties and add pipes. And for adding labels, you can go to add labels and entire network profile. And for adding tables, you need to select one part, go to add tables, add structure. And we have two networks, so we will have two tables for structure and two tables for pipes. Select wastewater. This is for structure wastewater. I'm going to again structure and storm network. And again for pipe. Storm network and wastewater pipe. Any question?
No, the tables are wastewater or storm? The tables?
You need to select one part, go to tables, go to add a structure. Once you should select storm network, create your network, then again go to structure and change it to wastewater. And for wastewater. And same process for pipes. Storm network here and go to pipe again and wastewater for pipe.
You don't need with the 28.
Yeah.